Meaning of fruit fly.
Fruit fly.
Fruit fly.
Fruit fly.
Fruit fly. A fruit fly is a small insect that belongs to the family Drosophilidae. These flies are commonly found near fruits and vegetables because they feed on the yeast and other microorganisms that grow on ripening produce. Fruit flies are often considered pests because they can spoil food and quickly reproduce, leading to infestations in homes and commercial settings. The average lifespan of a fruit fly is only about 40 to 50 days, but during that time, they can lay hundreds of eggs. Fruit flies have been studied extensively in genetic research due to their short lifespan and ability to rapidly reproduce.